Good morning. Happy Tuesday. It's Tuesday when I'm filming. Hope everybody's doing good, having a good December. It's like December 17th today. So we're almost at Christmas. Yay! Today I'm gonna do a black and yellow look to match my, I know you can't tell in my robe, but my shirt. So let's get started. Okay, so first I'll be priming my eyes with this. I always do the Shadow Insurance by Too Faced. Alright, so the first shade that I'm gonna get into is gonna be the Food Videos Yellow from my Conspiracy palette. You can tell I've used this palette a lot, mostly the brown, the top row I use a lot, but yeah, I'm gonna use Food Videos and I'm gonna put that in the very, I guess I'm gonna do it in threes, so I'm gonna do like a 3 shades, so the corner of my eye to like here. Alright, now that that's on, I'm going to take this darker yellow called Sunlight from my Pride palette and put it in the middle of my eyes. Okay, now that that's on, I'm going to take my reds here and I'm going to do the corner of my eye. Now that my eyes are done, I'm going to take Liquid Sheen and put it on my lips, and my makeup will be done. And I'm going to also take my hair out, so I'll be back. Alright, so this is the finished look. So, I hope you enjoyed this little black and yellow mini tutorial. Bye guys!